Only trying to take the chewing gum off your seat. I swear. I've never been to school before. I've never had friends. It's all sort of new to me. Look at this. Well, hey there. Nice of you to drop in.
I'm sorry, I didn't do it on purpose.
I bet you're the partner my Kwame told me about. I'm Cat Noir. Yeah, Cat Noir. And you?
I'm madly clumsy. I'm so clumsy.
No sweat, clumsy girl. I'm learning the ropes too.
I'm the one who's sorry, and I can't even tell you about it.
It doesn't matter. All that matters is that monarch was defeated.
I let go of the butterfly Miraculous.
We'll get it back again. You and me. Like old times.
Like old times.
Excellent choice, Master. Those two are made for each other.